Welcome at this video on how to create charts in Dynamics 365. My name is Fred. I work at Gestisoft, and today we'll present you how to become the best at analyzing your sales information within Dynamics 365 Sales. Charting has changed a lot in Dynamics for the past years. Copilot has helped us a lot in terms of editing views and creating new charts. The first step that I tell everybody is just to begin by making sure that you've got all the information that you're looking for within your view. It's really the first step to make sure that, as an example, I'm looking at all my open opportunities. Maybe I would like to filter the information top right corner to make sure that I'm just looking at all my open opportunity for this year. Or maybe I want to add a new field. As an example, I'd like to add what would be the actual close date or the active opportunity sales stage. So I can add that information, making sure it's available within my CRM. Then I'll click to the button Visualize. By doing so, if it's activated with Copilot in your environment, it's going to start generating a chart based on the information that you can see in your screen. And normally Copilot tends to prioritize the information that you've got in the first few columns. So here, as you can see, they classified the estimated revenue by month by the probability of closing. So you can see clearly it generated a nice chart with all the information. I can click on that button to show what's the current filter and what's the current information. It used the estimated close date as the display information for the month, and it used the weighted estimated revenue. So here is an example. I don't like the weighted estimated revenue. I can change for the real estimated revenue, and I'll leave the win probability because I want to have that information as well. So I can change the information easily. I can decide also what type of chart that I would like to prefer in terms of presentation. There is two types, as you can see. You've got column chart, but if I prefer, I can use stack column chart to make sure that everything is easier to read. Now, my data is not as good because it's simple data, but you can easily modify the information. So let's say that I love my chart, I love the information that I did. I'll just come back to the column chart. I can easily here save as. This can help me to generate a new chart to integrate within a dashboard. Then I'll be able, one trick that I give to everybody is I love to put my initials in front of the chart that I create. So this way, if I'm starting to share my charts to other people, they can easily find who's the owner or who created it by simply looking at the name. And if you really love that chart and you want to make sure that it's always on the top, you can also add like numbers in front of it to make sure that you classify your chart in terms of a list. And you can do it without having to customize the application. I'll save my new chart because I love it. Then you can select the same three dots and you can decide if you want to share it to someone else in your team. As an example, I want to share it to my friend Christian. Here it is. Then when I share my chart, I can decide if he has the possibility to read the chart, to modify it, to delete it, to assign it to someone else, and to share it to someone else. So normally what we recommend is just to select those two permission. If you select the other one, maybe Christian's gonna decide to start deleting the charts that I've created, and I don't want that to happen. So thank you so much and have a good day.